Encountering no remote detected in your 2017-2019 GMC Acadia? This happens when the key fob's battery dies or malfunctions, preventing communication with the vehicle's security system. The Acadia uses a passive entry, passive start (PEPS) system requiring the fob's transponder chip to send a unique code to the car. A dead battery disrupts this signal. Don't panic, there are bypass methods, but remember, unauthorized bypasses can compromise security. The key fob battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years, a CR2032 coin cell. Always keep a spare. First, use the mechanical key hidden inside the fob to unlock the driver's door. Then hold the fob directly against the start button while pressing it. This can sometimes allow the car to recognize the fob's weak signal. If this doesn't work, replace the fob battery. Regular battery checks are essential. As a preventative measure, consider carrying a spare. Be aware of trends in automotive key systems, which include smartphone-based digital keys to mitigate physical fob failures.